Automated digital products thrive on differentiation and branding. Establishing a unique brand voice through automation ensures consistency and scalability. This approach not only enhances customer engagement but also solidifies your market position. By integrating these elements, you create a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience. A strong brand presence builds trust and loyalty among customers, making them more likely to choose your products over competitors. Consistency in your messaging across various platforms reinforces your brand identity, allowing customers to recognize and relate to your products instantly. Moreover, automation streamlines processes such as marketing and customer service, enabling you to focus on innovation and growth. Ultimately, blending automation with a distinct branding strategy positions your business for long-term success. By continuously refining your brand voice and adapting to market trends, you ensure that your automated digital products not only meet customer expectations but exceed them, leading to sustainable growth and a competitive edge in the digital landscape. A unique value proposition, or UVP, is crucial in the digital product arena. It defines what sets your product apart and why it is the ideal choice for your audience. A well-crafted UVP must address the core problems that your target customers face and showcase the specific benefits your product provides. This creates clarity around your offering and encourages potential customers to take action. In today's competitive marketplace, having a strong, unique value proposition ensures that your product stands out from others. It not only helps in attracting your audience, but also plays a significant role in retaining customers. When consumers can clearly understand what makes your product different and better, they are more likely to choose it over similar offerings. Furthermore, a powerful UVP can be a key component in your overall marketing strategy. It informs your advertising, guides your messaging, and serves as the foundation of your brand identity. By regularly revisiting and refining your unique value proposition, you can ensure it resonates with your audience and reflects any changes in their needs or market dynamics. Understand your audience's core needs by identifying their pain points and aspirations. This involves taking the time to engage with your customers and gather feedback. Conduct surveys, interviews, or focus groups to delve into their challenges and desires. By truly understanding what drives them, you can tailor your messaging effectively. Highlight your product's unique features and proprietary technology, translating them into tangible benefits. Explain how your innovations stand out in the market and why they matter to your audience. Use clear language to make complex ideas easy to understand, ensuring that your audience grasps the significance of what you offer. Use data to quantify these benefits, like time saved or costs reduced. Present statistics or case studies that support your claims to build credibility. Showing hard numbers enhances trust and allows potential customers to visualize the value they can expect. Analyze competitors to identify their weaknesses. Discuss what your audience may find lacking in other products. Position your offering as the superior choice, emphasizing how it addresses the issues that others do not. Make it clear why your product is the best solution for their needs. Automated voice guidelines harness AI to enforce corporate style across all spoken and written digital content seamlessly. Begin by specifying tonal attributes, whether authoritative, empathetic, or conversational, so that every message aligns with your brand's personality. Maintain a centralized lexicon of approved terminology and phrasing to prevent any off-brand expressions. Implement grammar and syntax rules within your AI models to guarantee consistent sentence structures, from punctuation norms to preferred sentence length. Integrate real-time monitoring tools that flag deviations, enabling prompt corrections and ongoing refinement. By codifying these parameters into your voice automation platform, every chatbot response, narration script, or voice assistant prompt will resonate authentically, reinforcing recognition, trust, and a unified brand experience. Achieving true brand consistency hinges on adopting the right mix of people, processes, and technology. First, build and maintain a comprehensive template library, complete with pre-approved layouts for presentations, social posts, email headers, and even product UI elements, so every piece of collateral reflects the same typography, grid structure, and tone of voice. In my view, investing in a cloud-based digital asset management (DAM) system is non-negotiable. It centralizes logos, icons, color swatches, photography, and key messaging blocks behind a single searchable interface, eliminating ad hoc file sharing and versioning chaos. Automation macros or simple scripts can be embedded in your design tools and even in email marketing platforms to enforce correct logo placement, color usage, and font hierarchy automatically. Regular brand audits, combined with user feedback loops, will expose any deviations early so you can retrain teams or adjust guidelines before issues proliferate. Finally, empower your staff with clear, concise brand guidelines, complete with do's and don'ts, real-world examples, and a quick reference cheat sheet, and gather feedback on usability. A living document that evolves alongside your brand will keep your identity cohesive, credible, and instantly recognizable across every touchpoint. A compelling brand identity yields the power to command higher price points because customers intrinsically link offerings to exceptional quality, reliability, and emotional resonance. When audiences perceive a brand as unique, aspirational, or trustworthy, they become willing to invest more for the promise of superior experiences, thereby reinforcing profitable margins. In contrast, brands lacking distinctive positioning often have to rely on aggressive discounting or competitive pricing tactics to attract buyers, which can erode margins and undermine long-term viability. Navigating this dynamic requires a deliberate pricing architecture that aligns with perceived value. Premium tiers might emphasize exclusivity and bespoke services, while entry-level offerings capture more price-sensitive segments without diluting the core brand essence. By systematically measuring brand health through customer feedback, net promoter scores, and market sentiment analysis, you can fine-tune your pricing structure to reflect evolving perception, ensuring your strategy remains both psychologically compelling and financially robust. Ultimately, sustainable profitability hinges on continuously nurturing positive perceptions through consistent messaging, authentic storytelling, and unwavering product excellence. As Jeff Bezos remarked, your brand is what other people say about you when you're not in the room.